In this video, I will show you how to get the Merry Spruce Christmas tree shield on Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is of course open up Monopoly Go on your device and log into your account. So once you've gone ahead and logged in, there's actually a new album available. So if you come down to the bottom, and what you want to do is press onto the album icon down here. Now in this particular album, you've got different sets to complete. And to actually get the Merry Spruce Christmas tree shield, if you go onto the Santa's Workshop album, you can see that by completing this set, you are going to obtain the following, which is 325 dice, 179 million in Monopoly money, and of course the Merry Spruce Christmas tree shield. So at the time of recording, there's currently 32 days and 9 hours left to complete this. So what you need to do is actually go and collect stickers to complete the set. To do that, you can do things like winning the daily tournament. So you can see over here, for example, by coming certain places, you can win things like sticker packs, and in these stickers, you can win stickers for that set. You can also do this by things like completing your daily wins and the current in-game event, which at the moment is Heartfelt Holidays. So when you reach different milestones, you can receive sticker packs this way too. Also, by completing your property sets and landing on them, you will spin the wheel and win sticker packs that way. And another thing you can do is actually, if you come back into the album and you go into the set, there's actually a Facebook group where what you can do is ask in the group to see if anyone would trade that sticker with you. So if you've got any missing stickers and you've got duplicates, for example, as you can see the special reindeer stick over here, I've got 2 duplicates off. I can send this to a friend in the Facebook group, and what they can do in return is send me any missing stickers from this set. So that is how to go ahead and get the Merry Spruce Christmas tree shield on Monopoly Go. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.